welcome to Seen Through Glass. Let me explain what's going on. You join me in a car in Italy. This is Carlo.
Hi guys.
This is Bart. This is Giuseppe.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, I'm getting it right. Oh, Tano! Tano! Go on, Carlo! Give it some!
Yeah, diesel engine.
Basically, I can't tell you why I'm in Italy. You're going to find out on Wednesday. But I've got a day off today. I had nothing to do. And the hero, the legend that is Carlo, basically said, well, I can organise some fun for you. So he's brought me to what looks like quite an abandoned racetrack, but has led me to believe that we're going to be doing some pretty fun activities here. So, today in Italy with these three lads, hanging out, playing around with cars at a racetrack. What? What?
Ma poi è una vera M2. Quella che vedemmo quando
la GT. This is ridiculous. That colour is insane. Oh my god! Guys! Guys, come on! Puglia represent! I was not expecting this! Oh my lord! When Carlo said we were going to have a fun day out, I didn't think even he knew that this would be happening. We have got an insane lineup of cars here at quite a random racetrack. M2 Alpha, 599 with crazy bits on it, two 991.2 GT3s, one in ruby stone red, the same colour that Salamandra and Alejandro has just repainted his Carrera GT. This thing is stunning. We've also got a GTS. There's a podium, I'm going to get on that for some fun. Oh my god, I'm just so excited. What a day this is going to be. Right, we're now going to get a start up from this quite insane looking 599. I'm going to walk around the 488 because why not? It's got a lot of XX parts on it, this thing, and I'm assuming it's going to sound pretty epic. I don't know what's going on, but it's amazing. I don't know what's happening. It's gone crazy. This car, oh my god, and the GTS has been flying around. The 599 sounds nuts, and I think the GT3 is about to absolutely thrash it around here. One more run for the crazy 599. Don't want to get that close, but... I was about to say, the man with the MX-5 is now going to show up all of these supercar guys, but the 488's done a pretty good job of that already. Yes, 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 yes. The launch control! This is absolute mayhem. love everything. I love the MX-5 the most, man. Ok.
Wow. Vai avanti, sta sulla strada.
To explain to you what is happening today. This has all been so random and so last minute. I have to say a massive thanks to Carlo and the gang. If you didn't know, they actually have their own YouTube channel, We Drive. I'll put links to it below. But that's why they know everything that's going on here. They know all these guys, and they basically just sent out a message saying, look, does anyone want to come and hang out on a Sunday? And this is what's resulted in it. Obviously, we're not on track. That didn't happen. Instead, we turned the roads of Puglia into a track. That GT3. Tony, step your game up. That man drove like an absolute hero. Anyway, we're now right by the sea, as you can probably hear and see, and we're going to stop for a coffee because it's Italy and it's Sunday and coffee. Bart is now suggesting this place for lunch, even though we are currently in a wonderful coffee establishment.
This is amazing.
Yeah, this I think has to happen. I don't care how, but this has to happen.
This is amazing.
Thank you. Grazie. Yeah?
Ciao, Seth.
Ciao, ciao. Grazie. Okie dokie, we are coffeed up as you've seen. Most of the cars have now left. We're back in the We Drive Hyundai. Woohoo! And we're going for lunch. And we're, I think, going to that sandwich shop. We're going to the sandwich shop? Happy days. So yeah, cruising in the Hyundai. MX-5, you coming with us?
Maybe yes.
Maybe not. Well, there might be an MX-5 in some footage. Who knows? Anyway, Andiamo.
Okay,
let's
go.
Take your time, man. Don't rush. No, it's cool. Enjoy your food. We're just have fun. That has to be one of the best, most random days ever, finished off by one of the best sandwiches I've ever eaten in my entire life.
It was great.
This man knows his food. If you're coming to the Puglia region of Italy, give Bart a call for the local restaurant tips. I don't know how to thank you all. I mean, we literally have left Enzo behind.
It's here.
now he
with
joins
a Peroni.
us. Yeah, with a Peroni and a full stomach. But yeah, I honestly don't know where to begin thanking you guys. This has been one of the best car-related days and one of the maddest. I'm glad we're all alive. Is the first thing, because I thought there's multiple times when we could have all died, so that's quite a good thing. But yes, of course, you guys have to go over and check out these guys' YouTube channel. They have just started up, it's early days, but there was obviously a big car scene happening down here in Puglia, which I had no idea about. So if you want to investigate it, see more of it, then head over We Drive. Their link is below, a link to their channel is below. And now it's time for me to go back to my hotel for the secret project. But yeah, thanks so much, guys. I really appreciate it.
It was a pleasure.
And hopefully we'll see you again soon.
Bye. Bye.